All right, how are you? Listen, today we're doing this. This is a fish, Chinese kind of style, oyster sauce. It's really simple. It's really, really tasty and beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's start by taking a look at the fish that I'm using. So this is a frozen dory or pollock. You know, it kind of, comes in a big old bag. I defrosted it and then cut it into pieces. Cut it into fairly chunky pieces. You can see like that. It's quite a light kind of fish. Patted it dry. What we're going to do is we're going to flour it, season it, fry it first. There's about 3 cups there in total. Okay, so look, I've put the fish into a mixing bowl. Got a glove on, so I'm going to go in with my hand. I've got half a cup of flour here. Now, I'm using wheat flour. You could use cornstarch or potato flour. It's up to you. Anything works. And then here we've got a teaspoon each, or just over actually, a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, chili powder, and turmeric. So in that goes, and we're literally just going to give it a little mix up now, try and get a nice coating on that, and then we're off to the cooker. So you're going to need a wok or a large skillet or something like that. In there I've got some sunflower oil. You can use any oil you want, corn, canola, up to you. I've got about a centimetre in there. What we're going to do is get that nice and hot. Then we're going to be dropping the fish in. Now this fish will cook really quickly. It's a very light kind of fish we're using today. So I'm going to put that into hot oil just for about maybe 3 minutes aside, then out it comes and we can move on. Now I'm probably going to batch fry this because I've got too much here, so it's going to probably be doing this in 2 or 3 goes. Yeah, don't crowd the pan. Beautiful. So yeah, just 2 or 3 minutes on with nice hot oil like this. Set it aside, put it onto some kitchen towel or paper to get rid of any excess oil. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass you can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, cooks really fast, this stuff. So it's nice and crispy, it's got that lovely flavour on it. So I'm just going to fetch these out, repeat the process, then we'll take a look at what else we need. Simple. Okay, there you go, there's the fish done. Looks beautiful, nice and crispy, and we've seasoned it really nicely. Let's move on and look at some other ingredients for this. Okay, with the fish done, let's take a look at the other ingredients. So we've got 1 cup of sliced onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic. I've got here some red chili, 4 red chilies. I'm going to put them in whole, I'm not going to cut them or anything. If you cut them, you're going to get more power from them, so they're going to be quite hot. I'm going to put them in just like that today. A teaspoon of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons each of oyster sauce, and soy. The soy I'm using is a light soy. Let's get back to the cooker. So look, I'm in the same pan and I've reduced that oil down dramatically, sort of 90% really. Keeping that oil because it's got some nice flavors in it. Okay, the heat's on high all the way now. I've just put that on. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in 1 cup of sliced onion, a tablespoon of chopped garlic. If you wanted, you could be adding ginger to this as well. Let's get those chilies in right now. Like I say, I'm just keeping them whole today. Cut them or slit them if you want. And I'm going to be adding some black pepper. I'm not adding salt. Black pepper only because we've got a lot of salt from the fish sauce especially, and the soy and the oyster sauce. About 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. So very simple and tasty, this one. Okay, next up, ready? We're going to put in a teaspoon of the fish sauce. Very salty, be careful with that stuff. The soy. The oyster sauce. And a little splash of water. Stay on this High heat. Give it a little stir. Then we're going to get our fish. We're going to reintroduce that in. And then we're just going to throw or toss the fish around for 3 minutes. And it's done. Beautiful stuff. Well done, everyone. Well done. So I just topped that off with a few sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds. You could put some green onions on it or spring onions, whatever you call them, if you like. Beautiful stuff, really simple, tasty fish in oyster sauce. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well now. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.